So sitting down now and making yourself comfortable, with your feet on the floor and your hands on your lap. Taking a gentle deep breath in and out, and closing your eyes. With your eyes closed and relaxed, take your mind down into the breathing. The one constant that we all have. The flow in and out. In and down and up and out. Notice the different components of the breath. The difference in temperature between the in-breath and the out-breath. The little gap between the in-breath ending and the out-breath starting. The little gap between the out-breath ending and the in-breath starting. The gentle movement of your stomach and your chest as you breathe in and out. And the awareness now, as I mention it, that as you breathe out, you relax a little more. As you sit with your eyes closed, drifting deeper at your own pace. You're aware of thoughts that pop in and out of awareness. You can notice these thoughts as they arise. Step back from them. Become the observer of them. And in doing so, you reduce their power over you. And as you observe those thoughts and they pass by, you can gently guide your awareness back to the breathing. You can use this same mechanism for any emotions that drift into your awareness. Stepping back, observing, letting them pass, and back to the breath. Back to the breath. That gentle flow that keeps us in the moment. Whatever comes up in your awareness, you can step back observe, and drift back to the breathing. And with that in mind, we return to the day, resting your awareness in your feet and giving them a little movement. Into your hands now, moving the hands and fingers. Taking a gentle, deep, awakening breath in and out, and you can open your eyes and come back to the day.